Monday, July 30th. 98 degrees. In the shade. I wanted to show you the massive structure, which is going to be the geothermal greenhouse, and some of the nice details. These washers I sourced on eBay, usually around 12 to 20 bucks each. I can get them for about $1 a piece if you're interested. They're called bridge washers. These are 5/8, so they're pretty big. And here are some Solex windows that we put into the roof. 4x8 Solex windows. There's one here. There's one here. And I just got done roofing it. Well, watertighting it. So let's go up there and I'll show you. There's my shadow. So, what I put on here is ice and water shield. I got it for $100 a roll. You can spend as much as $200 a roll. But I did it all the way up to the sheathing and wrapped it. I have some roofing experience. So this is 6 square, and it'll keep it waterproof until the roof comes. I just ordered that. The roof, we're doing a brown, slate brown steel roof. 1,500 for roofing materials, caulk, gap filler, everything. I'll show it to you when it comes. So the reason for these windows is we wanted to add a little bit more light, and we made the roof a little bigger. Because it's really hot here in the summer, and this amount of shade is amazing. So our summer growing will only be in the front of the greenhouse here, where we'll do tomatoes or whatever. But this will mostly be a tropical greenhouse where we can grow some trees here under these panels. Fig trees, passion fruit, grapes, and other things. And in the winter, the sun rises right here, so the whole back wall here is going to be blasted with sun. So we'll be able to do starts and other food crops here in the winter. So, quick update. Thanks for watching. Be safe.